Oh, that's blue. Good work, Nolan. Ooh, what color's that? Red. Yep. Yay. Green. Green. Very good. Oh, that's green. Green airplane. There you go. Boo. Blue. Where's the blue go? There you go. Yay. Purple. Good job. Green.
It's almost time for Super Grover, but first we're gonna find out about
Heart. It's red.
These are 17 of my paintings right here.
Good job. Oh, this is a stumper Mommy threw in a light blue. That's light blue. Green. Yeah, yellow. Orange. That green frog. Where's that blue go? Where's that blue dolphin go? It's blue. Where's the blue? Where's the blue train? Blue. Boo. I know it doesn't quite. There you go. Yay. Nope. Orange. Yes, that's right.